Take a look at these videos. They're getting millions of views across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. From colorful paper crafts and satisfying DIY creations to incredibly realistic miniature designs, this type of content is capturing millions of people's attention every single day. And here's the best part. You can now create these viral handmade art videos using AI without ever making the crafts yourself. So if you want to create eye-catching AI art videos and grow your YouTube channel or social media pages, this video is for you. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, showing you exactly how to create a complete handmade art video using free AI tools. So let's jump straight into the very first step. The first thing we need to do is choose a concept that's unique, visually appealing, and grabs people's attention within the very first second. Because with this type of content, the concept is everything. If your idea isn't interesting, even a well-made video has a much lower chance of going viral. For this, I've created a master prompt, and you'll find the link in the video description. Simply copy the master prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it into the chat, and press enter. As soon as you submit the prompt, it will generate 5 original viral handmade art ideas for you, such as realistic miniature houses, magical paper worlds, adorable animal crafts, and satisfying paper transformation concepts. From those 5 ideas, choose the one you like the most. I'm going to select the first idea and use it to create the entire video step by step. Now that our concept is ready, let's move on to the next step, where we'll generate the image and video prompts for it. Now that our concept is ready, it's time to turn that idea into visuals. A single concept isn't enough to create the entire video. We also need the right prompts to generate the images and video. And once again, our master prompt takes care of all of that for us. Go back to ChatGPT and paste your selected concept into the chat. Then simply press enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will analyze your concept and generate 3 prompts for you. The first is the first image prompt, which you'll use to create the opening image of your video. Next is the last image prompt, which generates the final artwork for the ending scene. And finally, you'll get the video prompt, which we'll use inside Flow AI to generate the animation. The best part is that all 3 prompts are based on the same concept. That means your opening image, ending image, and final video will all match perfectly, giving your content a consistent and professional look from start to finish. Now we have everything we need to create the video. The next step is to turn these prompts into images and animation. And for that, I'll be using Flow AI. First, open Google, search for Flow AI, click on the first result, and sign in with your Google account. One of the best things about Flow AI is that it gives you free access to Nano Banana 2, which is an excellent model for creating handmade art and papercraft images like these. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy your first image prompt. Then return to Flow AI and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Since we're creating content for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok, leave the quantity set to 1. Choose Nano Banana 2 as the model and click Generate. Within a few seconds, your first image will be ready. Download the image because we'll use it as the reference for creating our final artwork. Now that the first image is ready, it's time to generate the final image for the video. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the last image prompt. Then return to Flow AI and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Next, click the plus icon, select Upload Media, and upload the first image you just downloaded. Before generating, make sure aspect ratio is still set to 9:16, quantity is 1, and Nano Banana 2 is selected as the model. Once everything looks correct, click Generate. A few seconds later, your final artwork will be ready. Download it to your device. Now we have both the opening image and the ending image ready. In the final step, we'll use these 2 images along with the video prompt to generate the complete AI video. Now that we have our first image, last image, and video prompt, it's time to generate the final AI video. We'll use all 3 together to create a smooth, cinematic animation. Go back to ChatGPT one last time and copy your video prompt. Then return to Flow AI and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Next, switch to the video option. After that, select frames, since this is where you'll upload the first and last frames for your animation. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, leave the quantity set to 1, and choose VO 3.1 Lite as the model. Now click Start Frame, select Upload Media, and upload your first image. Then click End Frame and upload your last image. Once everything is in place, click Generate. Flow AI will smoothly animate the transition between the two images and create a complete cinematic handmade art video. When the generation is finished, you'll notice that the transformation from the beginning to the end looks incredibly smooth, while the artwork style remains consistent throughout the entire video. And that's it. By following this simple workflow, you can turn virtually any handmade art idea into an engaging AI-generated video in just a few minutes. I hope you now know exactly how to create AI-powered handmade art videos. And if you'd like my handmade art master prompt, you'll find the link in the video description. Just copy it and start creating your own videos. Also, if you want to build an entire YouTube channel using AI, make sure to watch this video next. In that video, I walk you through the complete process of creating 2D animated documentary videos, from finding viral topics and writing engaging scripts to generating AI voices, creating characters, and producing the full animation workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.